What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lee Vlogs. Today is going to be a pretty fun vlog and super simple, not even a vlog, a really simple install, hopefully, as long as nothing breaks or I don't strip anything. But we're doing a quick little install. We finally got a carbon fiber steering wheel. So this thing came out pretty sick. Now there is one caveat to this steering wheel, is that the company I ordered from, I cannot recommend them at all. This steering wheel actually took about 6 months for it to actually get delivered to me. If you guys want to know more about the ordering process and who I got this from, and if you're still curious and you like the quality of this, then hit me in the DMs at bad_C7, or actually right here, and I'll give you the lowdown if you still feel like you want to purchase one of these. But I'm not going to publicly recommend the company because it was a long process, but quality of the steering wheel is good, so I'll say that. Anyways, we're going to install this bad boy right now. We got everything that we need. So got a big torque wrench, bought that the other day, a 3-inch extension just in case the 6-inch, we bought a 6-inch extension just in case this 3-inch extension is too short when we go after the T50 nut in the middle of the steering wheel. So we got all that ready to go. Finally getting rid of our old school steering wheel. Our round Chevy Cruze steering wheel. So fun times with this bad boy, but time to move on to something that will kind of complete the look of the interior of this car. I don't think I'm going to go full carbon fiber all over the interior. I don't need all that. Just the carbon fiber steering wheel is enough for me. I'm honestly not even a big carbon fiber fan. It doesn't really do it for me, you know, but I know a lot of people do like the carbon fiber, and it's shiny, so you know, it gives you that wow factor. But for me, I've never been a big carbon fiber guy, so yeah. Anyways, so the first step with this process is you're going to disconnect your battery. So as you know, you have to take out the airbag, and you do not want to take out the airbag when your battery is connected, because there's a chance that you could engage the airbag and it blows up in your face. Then you have a whole nother issue on your hands. So my suggestion is disconnect the battery in the back, if you know where that's at. If you don't know where that's at, you probably shouldn't be doing this install. But anyways, disconnect the battery, then don't immediately go and disconnect the airbag or take anything out. Let your car rest for like 20-30 minutes, just in case there's a little bit of electricity or voltage in your car somewhere that could engage this airbag. You don't want that to happen. So let your car chill for like a cool, I don't know, I say cool like half hour or so, just in case, because I don't want me to be the person responsible for your airbag blowing up in your face. So I'm telling you right now, let your car chill for like 30 minutes, then come back, make sure none of the electricity works, all that, and then you're good. So first things first, before you disconnect your battery, if you want to be able to access your car without climbing through a window or something, I don't even know where my keys are at. I don't know. Well, I need my keys. I'll be right back, guys. All right, so we're back. Got my keys now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the auxiliary just to roll down the window so I don't have to climb through the back to get into my car again after. So I'm gonna roll down the windows. That's it. All right, for all you guys that don't know where your battery is on your C7 Corvette, it's back here. I have a shitty story about this that maybe I'll tell you guys in the future. Oh, I forgot the water in the trunk. Let me get that out the way. 1, 2, 3. All right, and just like that, trunk is cleared. Now this next part, I do suggest that you use gloves, because underneath this carpet liner, you got like fiberglass, or like that stuff that they put in the attic. I think it's called fiberglass, but it gets all over your hands and it can be itchy and messy and all that stuff. So if you don't want to deal with fiberglass, or if you've ever dealt with fiberglass, you never want to deal with it again all over your skin, use gloves on this part. But since I don't got gloves on me right now and I don't feel like going in the house and searching for some gloves, I'm gonna tough it out like a man, or woman. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. That stuff right there can get all in your skin, and it takes multiple showers to get out of your skin. Not a fun time. But let's remove that. Don't need it. And we don't need this. Okay, so right here, this is your battery. First things first, you're gonna want to disconnect. So this is your positive terminal right here, sorry. And you're gonna want to disconnect this negative terminal. So the easiest way to do this is just disconnect that guy right there. I think that is I don't even want to guess, but find out the bolt size and disconnect that, and then disconnect this, and then you're golden from there with the whole battery thing. So I'm gonna do that right now. All right, so I got these two completely disconnected. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take my negative and get it away from this battery terminal right here. So I'm gonna just try to push that in a good location. Actually, I'm gonna use this part of the car, lift it up and make it hold that terminal right there. And then I'm gonna grab this part of the carpet and just create that barrier, so I know that my positive and negative won't accidentally connect. Yeah. Okay, I think that's good right there, just to keep everything away from the battery terminal ports. Cool. All right, so I'm gonna go take a nap for 30 minutes and then we'll be back. All right, guys, we are back. It's been about 30-45 minutes. Kind of let the electricity drain out of the car just in case. So a little test. Nothing's working here. Give it a little power. I think we're good. All right, so on to the steering wheel install. All right, so the first step in this process is finding, there's two holes on each side of the back of your steering wheel. So there's one right here, if you can see that, this guy right there. And then there's one on the adjacent side right here, if you can see that. It's probably a little dark, so you probably can't see it, but there's one right there. So you're gonna use whatever you got. I'm using 2 Allen wrenches that I bought from Home Depot at some point. Yeah, I'm gonna use 2 of these, and pretty much you're gonna fit each one of these into the holes. So we'll just put one right there for right now, and one right there. All right, and then from there, I'm actually gonna put you guys down now, back on the tripod, so you guys can see this a little better. Let's see here. Come on, baby. Fit. Okay, so pretty much you're gonna push in. Hopefully we don't have an airbag that explodes in my face right now. It's gonna suck. Let's see. Push in and pull. But you don't want to pull too tight because your airbag is connected to some electrical points on the back. So you don't want to rip it out, but just kind of ease it out a little bit. So as you can see, when I pushed in, part of the airbag did come up. I'm gonna push in on this side. All right, so after about 5 minutes or so doing this thing, I think I finally got it. So I'm gonna do some of that off cam, but I think I can finally get this bad boy out. Remember, go really slow with this part. You don't want to rip your connection in the back. Almost. There we go. Okay. All right. So, bring you guys in a little closer. There are a couple of electrical ports that we gotta disconnect before we take the airbag out. I don't know if you guys can see in there, but yeah, if you look at those, some of those we gotta disconnect. Actually, all of them we gotta disconnect. And then from there, we can take the airbag out. So I'm gonna do that off camera real quick, and then we'll continue on with the install. All right, I just did the first clip. Pretty much all I did was took a flathead screwdriver. Can you guys see? What is my camera looking at? There you go. Flathead screwdriver. And let's see if I can at least do one on camera so you can see. Pretty much just get right in there. This is really hard to do while holding a camera. There we go. See how it just comes up like that? All it takes is one flathead screwdriver, boom, and then you can pull that bad boy out. And just like that, we have our airbag out. So we're gonna go set this over there next to the steering wheel. And we're gonna work on this T50 right here to get the main steering wheel off the car. This is how it should look. This little clamp right here came all the way out. I might have broke it, but I think we'll be good if we just shove it right back in. I think I just broke, yeah, the bottom prong, so I think we'll be okay. We'll find out when I'm doing 160 and my airbag goes off. So make sure you disconnect that as well. Now we're at that part. We got everything disconnected, all the electrical, so we can finally remove this old steering wheel that's been on here since 2014. And replace it with a nice fancy one. So everything's disconnected, as you can see. Just want to make sure you guys can see everything, how it's supposed to be disconnected, all that good stuff. Alright, let's roll over here, grab our tools. Let's turn on the garage light. Also, get a little extra light in here. Hopefully that helps. So based off the depth of the steering wheel area, I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the 6-inch just to be safe. And then I'm using a breaker bar because that T50 that's on there is on there with Loctite. And breaker bar just seems like the best option to go with. I'm gonna set you guys back up over here. All right. Hopefully this works out. Oh, my bad. Y'all get to see the Travises one time. Hey. All right. That's good enough, I guess. Alright, so breaker bar, extension, 6-inch extension, T50 torque bit, Torx, whatever you want to call it. Make sure it fits before, fits like a glove. A little bam, bam. Alright, get it in. I actually need my wife for this part. So, when you get to this part, you may want to grab a person to help. Basically, you want them to hold the steering wheel in place as you, boom, torque it out, okay? So I'm gonna go grab wifey real quick. Hopefully she can just hold this in place. And we'll be good to go. Be right back, boys. Alright, so when you guys grab your helper, all you gotta do is just tell them to hold the steering wheel in place. So wifey, go ahead. Hold the steering wheel in place. Where is my Torx? Go. Alright. Hopefully I don't smack you in the face. Okay, that's not right. Just don't let it go. So I'm gonna go this way. I think we're good. I heard a brake. Either we're stripped or we're good. Thank you so much, man. Alright, I'm gonna switch to the socket wrench. Socket it out. I think it's loose enough now. Should be able to socket it. There we go. Oh no. I still need her. I still need her. Oh Lord, I still need her. Yeah, let me go get her. We don't want to strip this bad boy. We're good. Money. Alright. Boom. This guy is out. Like all the Loctites off of it. I do have a replacement one of these, so just in case I stripped it, I did buy another one. Ordered it off of eBay. But goodbye old steering wheel. Careful with that. And boom. We're out. Thank you, wifey, for helping. Boom. Probably need you later. Old steering wheel's out. New steering wheel's right here. First things first, I'll say that this one is much lighter than this one. So I think it's gonna change the steering feel. Definitely my car's gonna feel more sporty and more firm because this is a heavier steering wheel. So you're gonna feel more engaged with this bad boy. This guy's very, very light. This guy, not so much. I should probably weigh these just to see. Let's see how much of a weight difference we got on these. Take you guys inside the house real briefly. All right, so I brought you guys into my master bathroom to look at the weight difference. So stock steering wheel, we got a weight of, come on baby. Let's actually step on this. There we go, hold on. 4.8 pounds, briefly. And then this guy got a weight difference of a whopping, 6.6 pounds. So a 2-pound weight difference. That's gonna feel incredibly different driving this car. I can already tell. So yeah, pretty much we're just gonna reverse the process we just did. I'm gonna probably do that off camera just to make it easy for you guys. Just plug and play, screw everything back together, voila, you got a fresh steering wheel. So let's just use a little YouTube magic real quick in 3, 2, 1. All right, and just like that, the new steering wheel is on the Vette. This thing is pretty, definitely pretty. Oh yeah. Nice little red pinstripe right here, center mark. Good perforated red leather, matches well. Oh yeah. Extended carbon fiber paddles right here. So I mean, you guys already know my car is a manual car, so the plus and the minus don't really mean anything for my car. since all it does is activate rev match mode, but it still looks really cool. And I do use rev match when I downshift, so yeah. All in all, great product. If you guys want to know who I bought this from, go ahead and hit me in the DMs on Instagram. That's at bad_C7 right here. Hit me in the DMs if you want to know. I'll let you know the lowdown and pretty much the gist of it, and then you can make your own responsible decision if you want to purchase through the person I bought it from. But yeah, happy with the fit and finish for sure. Looking good, looking good. All right. Well, horn works, that's good. It's gonna be the first start up. Maybe we'll take it for a spin real quick. Oh, actually, keys are over there. So I'm still a little nervous to start it up with the me unplugging the airbag and all that stuff. So I'm gonna try to start it up. I'm gonna put the keys in there. I'm gonna start it up from the outside of the car just in case the airbag does go off and I fucked up somehow. I don't want to get a concussion. No start. We're good, boys. I'm gonna go take this for a spin. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think of it, all that, in a later video. But for right now, thank you for coming by. Until next time, Lead Vlogs out.